Hi, in this section we will see how to use variables in PHP. Well, variable is normally used to store the values temporarily during the runtime of our program. Okay, in other words, consider a situation where we got some variables in our PHP program, and when we start running our PHP program, those variables in our program get some memory space allocated from the main memory, and when we end our PHP program, all those memories allocated to the variables will be freed. Okay, there are certain rules we need to know before we start writing variables. Okay, variable can be combination of alphabets and digits. Underscore is the only special character allowed here, and first digit in variable should always be an alphabet. We can't have numbers in the front, and here in PHP variable always proceed with a dollar symbol. Okay, we'll see how to do this in our program now. $var, that's the name of the variable here, var, and we are going to assign some statements here, store some value here in the variable. Demo for variable in PHP. Okay, we got a statement here, and every PHP program ends with semicolon. Now that we assigned some statements here for our variable var, we can display them using echo $var semicolon. I'll save this file in the local server directory now. C drive vamp www var.php. Okay, I saved the file now. Make sure your WAMP server is up and running. We'll run this in our web browser now. http:// localhost var.php. Yeah, we got the answer here. I'll explain again. As you can see here, we got a variable by name var and assigned a value, assigned some data, that is demo for variable in PHP within quotes here. And when we echo the variable, the actual values inside the variable gets displayed in our web browser. We could also use numbers to process, do some math in variables. We'll see how to do that now. I'm going to declare another variable by name a and assigning a value of 10. I'm going to declare another variable b. I'm assigning a value of 5. You can note the difference here. I wrote this first statement here with variable. They are in quotes because they are string of characters, whereas here in numbers we don't have any quotes. If we put this thing here in quotes, we can't do any math operation, because PHP will consider whatever you put inside this quotes as characters, and I mean string, so we can't do any math operations here. So this is the major difference when we assign some numbers and strings. We need to make sure we don't have any quotes here while we handle math in PHP. Okay, now that we got two variables, we can do some simple math. I'm going to add these two numbers, $a plus $b semicolon. Okay, we are adding a and b, and we need a place to store the result. So we are going to have another variable $c equal to. What happens here is we got 10 in a and 5 in b, and when we do a plus b here, the actual values, that is 5 and 10, gets added, and the result is stored here in variable c. Now we got result in variable c. We can echo them to the standard web browser by just using variable c, that is $c, echo $c semicolon. Okay, we will run this now in our web browser. I will refresh the page. Okay, we got the answer here. We could make this even better by giving a line break here, echo within quotes /br tag. That's a line break, and you can see here it's perfect. Okay, If you guys like my videos, don't forget to subscribe them. Okay, thanks for your time guys. I will see you in the next video.